You know, one of the biggest questions I'm getting right now is now actually a good time to buy a home? And honestly, for a lot of buyers, this may be one of the best opportunity windows we've seen in years. Why? Because today's market is giving buyers something they haven't had in a long time: leverage. There's more inventory available, homes are sitting on the market longer, and sellers are much more willing to negotiate. Every day we're seeing sellers contribute towards closing costs, offer rate buydowns, and make concessions that were almost impossible to get during the crazy competitive market a few years ago. One strategy buyers should understand right now is something called a 2-1 buydown. That's where the seller helps reduce your interest rate for the first 2 years of the loan, which can significantly lower your monthly payment up front and make homeownership more affordable. Now, here's the part that a lot of people are missing. Many buyers are waiting for interest rates to drop before they jump into the market. But historically, when rates go down, demand goes up. And when demand goes up, home prices usually rise and competition increases. So, while a lower interest rate sounds great, you may end up paying more for the house itself and competing against more buyers. Right now, buyers have more negotiating power, more choices, and more opportunities to create favorable terms. The key is understanding your options and having the right strategy. Because in real estate, timing the market perfectly is almost impossible. But making a smart long-term decision, that's 100% possible.